Oh, I'm a take a two.
As a person who works more than 8 hours a day in a week, side hustling as a content creator, businesswoman on the weekends, and galadora during my free time. These careers are my comfort and stress at the same time. I made sure to keep myself have a peace of mind by drinking a coffee. Pero hindi talaga natin may iwasan to have a uncomfortable day. Lalo na 'di ba kung time of the month na. Period. Yes, double ang stress, mood swings, bloated, cravings at worried kung may tagos. Hay, ang hirap lang talaga. Finally, I just found my newest discovery from Kotex, the all-new reusable underwear. This has an amazing concept kung saan it can absorb up to 2 regular pads. Let's try and put it into test. See? No leaks and stains. It's also good for 8 hours. It is a real cotton underwear with pad that is washable up to 50 times, wherein you can definitely wear, wash, and wear again. This can keep you protected all day. Finally, I have nothing to worry more and comfortable to move on my red days. Reusable underwear from Kotex, now available on Shopee and Lazada.